Okay, guys. Now we got some food going. We got some banh mi, beautiful Vietnamese bread, and look at this. We have the chicken, and you get the whole chicken, guys. You get everything. We have some green beans, some dipping sauce, fresh cucumber. Now, Miss Foot, she likes the chicken feet. Yes, she likes chicken feet. Now, I'm not a big chicken foot person, but I like the soup. So she always gives me some of the soup. I like. I'm more of just the chicken and green bean guy. And the bread, love the bread. And you have your spices here where you can make your different sauce. You put a little lemon on your spice for dipping. Very good. Good cold 7-Up to drink. Beautiful. Okay, guys. We are going to eat, and then I'll get back with you. I know. Okay, guys. Here's the end result. We ate it all. We ate everything except I'm not going to eat the chicken head. Honey, you want the chicken head?
No.
No. Okay, no chicken head. Or
Butt.
what's this, honey?
Butt.
Yeah. That's the chicken butt. Like I said, you get it all, guys. The only thing we leave is the head and the butt. Everything else is game. Right here, guys. If you are ever in Ho Chi Minh City,
Cool and have a bamboo.
great place. Look at the bamboo. We have bamboo trees. Those are bamboo trees, folks. Very beautiful. Bamboo. Beautiful dinner. Thank you, honey. I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
My beautiful wife. She says, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's so laid back. All right, guys. Tummy's full. I'm not going to bore you with the ride back home. It'll look just like the ride coming down here. So we'll sign off for now, guys. Hit the like button. Hope you like the content. Subscribe to our channel. We'll take you on our journey. We have some travels coming up. Some neat stuff going on. So until next time. Say goodbye, honey.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Have a great day.
Chào.